Hello everyone. Now it's time for maths. Now we will do maths and we are doing the chapter number 3, subtraction. Now we will see regrouping hundreds to tens. The example is here. Nowadays some schools send report cards to parents by email. 358 emails has to be sent. So far only 186 have been sent. How many more emails does the school have to send? तो what is there in the question? सबसे पहले ये क्वेश्चन रीड करके समझो कि इसमें क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन है और हमें क्या आंसर के लिए हमें चाहिए. तो आजकल कई स्कूल अपने रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स ईमेल से पेरेंट को भेजते हैं. तो सबसे पहले दिया है 358 ईमेल्स हैड टू बी सेंट, मतलब 358 ईमेल्स भेज दिए गए हैं. सो फार ओनली 186 हैव बीन सेंट. टोटल 358 ईमेल्स भेजने थे, उसमें से 186 हैव बीन सेंट, उसमें से 186 को भेज दिया है. तो हाउ मेनी मोर ईमेल्स डज द स्कूल हैव टू सेंड? टोटल उनको 358 ईमेल्स भेजने थे, उसमें से उन्होंने 186 मेल ऑलरेडी भेज दिए हैं. तो अब उन्हें कितने और भेजने बाकी है? सो हियर वी हैव टू डू माइनस. And whenever we are doing minus means subtraction, we have to remember that we have to write the bigger number first. Okay. So here we will write 358 and minus 186. So these are the written 350 and 8. We will start from the ones place. First of all we will minus 6 from 8. 8 में से 6 को माइनस करेंगे. What will be the answer? 2. Now second we will do the tens place. So here we will do on the tens place 5 minus 8. Can we do? No, because 5 is smaller number and 8 is bigger number. So we can't do minus 5 minus 8. So we have to borrow from hundreds place. So we will cut here and we will write here 15 and we will cut the 3 and we will write the before number 2. So here 15 minus 8 is equal to 7 and here 2 is there. Don't forget that we have to do 3 minus 1. We had cut it already and we had written the number 2. So we have to minus 1 from 2 means 2 minus 1. So what will be the answer? Here it is written 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So the answer is 172. So for that we will write 172 more emails have to be sent. So this is the example. Now we will see one more example. 827 minus 365. So as you know, and don't forget about it, that we have to start from the ones place. So we will do 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. In the next step we will do tens place. So here 2 minus 6. So is it possible 2 minus 6? No. We can't do subtraction from smaller number to bigger number. So we have to carry from the hundreds. So here we will cut 2 and we will write here 12 and here we will cut 8 and we will write the before number of 8 7. Okay. So now 12 minus 6 is equals to 6 and 7 minus 3. We have to do 7 minus 3. Don't do 8 minus 3. Okay. So 7 minus 3. Here it is written 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. So the answer will be 462. Here are some practice sums are there. You have to do this subtraction by yourself. It's very easy. You can do. So try this. This you have to do by yourself. Now we will go to the next page. Now we will see regrouping twice. अब तक हमने देखा कि हम एक ही नंबर में रीग्रुपिंग कर रहे थे, या तो टेंस टू वंस और हंड्रेड्स टू टेंस, पर अब हमें देखना है कि अगर दो बार हमें रीग्रुपिंग करना है तो हम कैसे करेंगे. वन एग्जाम्पल इज हियर. ऑन मंडे एन एयरलाइन कंपनी सेंट 451 टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस through SMS to passengers to inform them about a delay in flights. On Tuesday, it sent 163 fewer messages. How many messages did it send on Tuesday? तो मंडे को एक एयरलाइन कंपनी को 451 पैसेंजर्स को टेक्स्ट मैसेज देना था कि आज हमारी फ्लाइट है वो लेट जाएगी, फ्लाइट डिले हो रही है, तो उसके लिए पैसेंजर्स को मैसेज देना था. तो कंपनी ने मंडे को 451 पैसेंजर्स को मैसेज भेजे. ऑन ट्यूसडे इट सेंट 163 फ्यूअर मैसेजेस. ट्यूसडे को 163 मैसेजेस भेजने थे. How many messages it sent on Tuesday? So now we have to find the difference between these two numbers, 451 minus 163. So here we have to write like it is written here only, and whenever you are writing in the notebook any number for addition subtraction, you have to write at proper place. So start with ones place. 1 minus 3, that we can't do. That is why we have to cut 1 and we will write here 11. And we will borrow from the tens place. So we have to cut here 5 and we will write here 4. So 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. And now come to the tens place. 4 minus 6. Can we do it? So subtract the tens. Since there are not enough tens, you will have to regroup. So now here again we have to borrow from hundreds. So 400, 4 tens is equal to 300s, 14 tens. So here again we have to cut 4 and we will write here 14 as we were doing at ones place. The same thing we have to repeat in tens place because we can't do minus 4 minus 6. That is why again we have to do this. Cut 4 and we will write here 14, and again we have to cut hundreds place and we will write here 3 before number. So 14 minus 6 is equals to 8. Now step number 3, subtract the hundreds. Now we will subtract the hundreds. 300 minus 100 is equal to 200. So here it is, we had cut here and we had written 3. So we have to do 3 minus 1. Don't do 4 minus 1. Okay. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Like this we have to do this subtraction. So you read it carefully and try to do the practice for this. So and afterwards we have to write the answer. The airline company sent 288 messages on Tuesday. Now here is mental maths. 13 and 7. These also we had done before. So what we have to do, we have to divide the second number in two parts. So 13 minus, we had done two parts, 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. So 13 minus 3 is equals to 10, and 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. So answer 13 minus 7, the answer will be 6 only. Okay. Here also 15 minus 8, we have to do two parts of 8, 5 minus 3. Why we have to do like this? Because if the round number, if it is near tens number, so it will be easy to calculate. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Now we will do minus 3 from this 10 only. So 10 minus 3 is equals to 7. So answer will be 7. Like this, A, B, C you have to do by yourself, and try to do this. It's easy, you can do it. Now we will go to the next page. Now here is the exercise, regroup the tens. How will we do? We will start from the tens place, ones place. Six minus 8, can we do it? No. So we have to borrow from the tens place. So here again we will cut 6, and what will we write here? 16. And 16 minus 8, what will be the answer that we have to write here? What will be the answer? 8. You write the number properly. Here we have to cut 9 also, because we had borrowed from tens. So here we will write 8. So 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. And here 7, and no number is here, so here we will write 7. Okay, like this you have to do all these sums, and all the sums that you have to do in textbook only, because the space is given here, so you can do this sums. And tomorrow is Sunday, so you can do within 2 days these sums. So this page is homework for you, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the meeting. This is subtraction sum, and this is practice for you. So you have to do by yourself, try to do by yourself. If you have any doubt you can ask to your parents, and even if you had any doubt, if you want to ask me, we will meet on Monday. Okay, so for today you have to do, that is your homework. You have to do in the textbook only. You don't need to write in नोटबुक. इसमें से आपको कुछ भी नोटबुक में नहीं लिखना है, इसी में लिखना है. तो ये जो सारे सम्स है आपको अपने आप करना है. ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.